Next, let's hook the arm of the little crocodile. There are 2 hooks for the arms. The same loop needle. Wrap the thread around your little finger. On the index finger, form a ring on the middle finger. Pinch the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Crochet through this loop to bring the thread out. Bring it out again. This is a standing stitch. For our arms, we need to hook 10 circles in total. 6 short needles. Let's take the first circle now. Hook here. The head is the same. Drag the coil down. 2, 4.6, 6 pin. Pull this coil tight. Stand-up needle. The same goes for the second lap. Hook 6 short needles. Hook 6 short needles. And first pin pull. Take this thread, cut it off. Then everyone takes off like this. Take 2 lap 10. Line hook to the 10th circle. 2.4.6. With the first set of referrals. With the first set of referrals. Are disconnected. We need to hook 2 arms for him.